Well, we can still play with it. Let's give it a bath. Sweet Jiminy Cricket! Your love made it a real dog! Thank you, Blue Fairy, wherever you are. Maybe we should wait before we break it to Mom. Just a few seconds old, and he's already got bugs. Time to break out the tweezers. Wow, some of these bugs are big enough for a hands-on approach. Ew, someone's got dog breath. Well, don't worry. We've got a brush just for you. Canines are pretty important to canines. Maybe that's how they got the name. Now let's clean up the whole row. Huh, what have you been eating? Now it's time for the other kind of brush. Oh, soon enough, we'll have enough to make a new dog. Quick, let's hide you.
Come on.
If anyone asks, you're a pile of clothes. Just stay still.
Hey.
Did you have a nice birthday, honey? What the? Oh, she's just shedding and then dyeing the hair. Wow, I can't believe that worked. Sort of. Either way, it's time for a little spring cleaning. Let's pile it up. Now where's a carpet to sweep it under? Ooh, your pants could use a good swipe too. Wow, the puppy's really good at hiding. Seriously. Oh, this isn't good. Let's follow that trail of chewed up clothes. Well, dogs like to dig, and dig they shall. Come on, we need to clean those dirty paws. This device should help. It's a shower and a brush all in one. What a good dog. Most would have had 5 escape attempts by now. Let's dry you off. Well, that's one way. But let's try this bathrobe. And if Mom asks, you're a shark. And for being such a good boy, you get a face massage. But don't let the name fool you. It can massage more than just your face. I think there's time to have a turn of your own, too. Wait, I'd be careful about taking a nap.
Hey.
Nothing to see here, just us toys. Yeah, Mom needs to check those glasses. Now, what did we say about naps right now? I'm sure we can sew them back up. But for now, let's trim those nails. Okay, that didn't work. Time for plan B. Ah, plastic wrap. Now it's a plastic cap. Some peanut butter should please our furry friend. Now he won't notice the mani-pedi. Hey, where are you going? Why couldn't Mom fill up on birthday cake like the rest of us? What? You forgot the ketchup. Well, someone doesn't mind. At least you still got your ketchup. Silly doggy, thinks he's people.
No.
Here's something for you, a kibble dispenser. It's dinner time with the press of a button. Bon appetit. And don't forget, moms have to eat too, you know.
What?
A living room's like a city to this pupper. Ooh, look at all these boxes. Let's have some fun. We can make a whack-a-mole game, but with treats. Besides, moles bite. Quick, hide. It could be moles.
Come on.
we're in the clear.
Phew.
Time to relax with a good book. Let's see.
Wow.
Wow, that koala sure likes eucalyptus. Aw, why don't you come up for story time? Good point. How do you get up? Great idea. This doggy staircase should help. Come on, it's easy. Just one step at a time. Hold on a sec. I think nature's calling. Though someone needs to keep an eye on him. Make that something. This camera should help.
Phew.
Okay, let's try it out. It's all on your phone.
Oh.
Yeah, I never liked those shoes either. Green with green dots? Huh, he did you a favor.
Oh no.
Still, this sniffing mat should distract him, especially when you add surprises inside. Pockets just make everything a little bit better. Let's try it out. And while he's distracted, hide your shoes. Except toe shoes, they deserve to be chewed up. Ooh, it looks like shoes aren't the only thing on his diet. But don't worry, now it can be his new collar. Don't you look dapper? And selfie ready. This one would make a great ID tag. The glue gun's the perfect laminator. Just cover it with wax paper and flatten it with a rolling pin. Oh, don't you look dapper, doggy? What other looks would you like to try out?
Wow.
Well, you heard the answer button. A dragon costume? Look, spikes. Okay then. How about a superhero? We'll just call him Crypto. Is it a bird? A plane? It's Super Dog! Wow, it's like he really can fly. Well, that was a great workout for both of us. Photo time. The Daily Planet will pay big for this. Ooh, look, an ink pad. Any takers? That's one way to get your John Hancock. Wow, this one's going right on the wall. But here's another way to help him express himself. Add some paint and a clear cover to a canvas. Some dog food on top should help too. Who needs a paintbrush when you've got a nose for art? You know, wall art's a step above refrigerator art. Wait, you shouldn't play with paint. Besides, what you need is a chew toy. And look, it's corn-themed. Smear some food on the kernels. Now this is what you should sink your teeth into. Ooh, look at the mess. There are paw prints everywhere. Okay, actually, I kind of like it, but that's just me. Oh no! It's worse than I feared! She's got contacts!
Now she'll get you, and your little dog, too.
A suitcase? Is she sending you packing? Wait a minute, she's making it a doggy bed. It's the best seat in the house. I mean, look, it's portable. We've had a lot of fun today wishing toys to life. But be careful. Side effects can include a dog growing 10 feet tall or turning fire engine red. Do not feed after midnight. Consult local gnome for any additional questions or comments. Wooferific stuff! Catch you next time!